If you are new to investing, a beginner or a small investor, you will be told SIP karo. Even if you have some lump sum to invest, chances are that you will be told don't take the risk of investing in one go, SIP karo. Or invest in XYZ fund because it has the best past returns. And if you mention you want to invest in stocks, you will be told pagal mat ban, tera kaam nahi hai, or they'll give you some stock tip. For some reasons, beginners and small investors are expected to be satisfied with these answers that might be right for very small investors. But what if your monthly saving is little larger or you have some lump sum to invest? While the amount invested when you begin investing is relatively small, it is not to be taken lightly because this is the saving that compounds for the longest time. If you fail to invest properly in the first few years, you lose some of the advantages of compounding, and this could be significant. Let's understand this through an example. A lakh invested in 20 years will grow to 9.6 lakhs if it earns 12% compounded returns. Can you guess how much it would become if you started 5 years earlier and if it's invested for 25 years? Rupees 17 lakh. You cannot make up this difference later in life because then you will need to invest in safer assets like FD, and 13 lakh will take 5 years to grow to 17 lakhs. What are the challenges that you face as new investor in these markets? You may want to invest in stocks, but most advice is only on mutual funds. You need to deploy your lump sum saving, but most advice is only on SIP in mutual funds. Everyone agrees that selecting mutual fund based on past performance is inadequate and incorrect, but most advice is only based on past performance. Markets are ever changing, but most advice is one time. Everyone talks about stock tips, recommendation, but no one talks of portfolio management. So what do you need as a new investor? You need to invest your lump sum and monthly saving in equities. You want to take advantage of investing in stocks, mutual fund and index fund with proper guidance. You need to manage your portfolio, that is buy, sell or hold as the market goes through its ups and downs. And you need to do this with some understanding of the process and not just act blindly on someone's recommendation. You not only want to grow your current savings, but you also want to be equipped with right knowledge and behavior to invest a larger amount in your coming future. When we searched for a solution based on all the above, we found that there is nothing available that has answers to all the questions in just one solution. So we decided to build Money Works For Me Pro. Pro enables you to invest in stocks, mutual fund and index fund in a sensible way. But how? The answer is by thinking portfolio, ensuring that you have a diversified portfolio of strong companies and the right mutual funds. But how do you select the few out of so many companies and mutual funds out there? The answer is you select the strong ones which has an attractive upside potential over the next 3 years. Pro prevents you from buying expensive by recommending the higher upside potential stocks and mutual funds, thus avoiding the risk of mediocre returns and even a sharp fall if the market or stock corrects for whatever reasons. But why 3 years? So that you choose like an investor who expects the growth from company's performance and not just the price movement, which is typically traders' mindset. Although market price movement can be looked at as a bonus if it happens. With Pro, you will be able to invest in a portfolio of strong company stocks with an attractive upside potential, existing lump sum in a set of funds, SIP in a set of funds with different investment styles. You have the flexibility to choose where you wish to invest and how much. We recommend investing your lump sum equally in stock portfolio and mutual funds for better returns and a diversified portfolio. While this is way advanced compared to simply SIPing in a few mutual funds, we have ensured the decision taking and execution is simple. This Pro dashboard enables easy decision making and execution. For recommended stocks, you can see how it is rated on its 10-year performance, future prospects, and its upside potential. For mutual funds, you can see its investment style, fund quality, and its upside potential. A crisp analyst note explains the rationale for the recommendation. This enables easy but correct analysis and decision taking. Want to dig further? Simply click the stock or fund name. You can also do the stock transactions from the Pro dashboard. Pro makes it easy for you to act on recommendations. You can safely and conveniently complete the transaction using the APIs on the Pro dashboard. Here are the options for you for executing your transaction right from the Pro dashboard. This convenience enables you to SIP in the stock portfolio if you do not wish to SIP in mutual funds. Finally, when you transact from the Pro dashboard, your portfolio is automatically updated in the Money Works For Me Portfolio Manager. Here you will discover an amazing tool to track and monitor your portfolio for risk and returns across stocks and mutual funds like a real professional investor. But then, Why trust us? Because we are SEBI registered and have always been research and advisory based since 2009. So no brokerages, commissions or any conflict of interest. All our efforts are dedicated to ensuring that you take the right investing decisions and make your money work for you to generate wealth. Now you may start thinking that this all could be very expensive. Relax. Money Works for Me Pro is so reasonably priced that its price will pleasantly surprise you. So begin your investment journey in stocks and mutual fund with the right first step. Subscribe to Money Works for Me Pro and make your money work for you harder.